Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we're making the classic cocktail, the Manhattan. A rewarding 3-ingredient cocktail with the color of black cherry thanks to the vermouth. For ingredients you'll need your best vermouth, as it will do a lot of the talking in the drink, and in many ways makes or breaks the cocktail. At least for me. Your favorite rye? I've opted for Sazerac rye, but something cheaper like Old Overholt, or something more premium like Michter's will work. Just pick a level of spice you like. And lastly, angostura bitters to strengthen the spice of the drink. You'll also want an orange peel, a maraschino cherry, or both for your garnish. Gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Grab your bar mat, mixing glass, and go to jigger and start by measuring out 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Pour it into your glass. To that you'll be adding your rye. 2 ounces will do, or you can add 1.5 ounces of higher proof rye. Then 3 to 4 dashes of angostura bitters. Add as much or as little as you like, depending on how much you like the angostura taste. Personally, I like it a lot. Next, grab a scoop of ice, including any stragglers, and begin mixing for a good 30 seconds or so. The drink will be very spirit forward and served up, so be sure to mix it long enough that it gets nice and frosty and has adequate dilution. Feel free to hum while you wait or use a stopwatch. Now to prepare your garnish. If you decide to garnish with this level of involvement, I suggest you do it first to avoid over diluting your drink, but if you simply plan on dropping a cherry, afterwards works just fine. For me, I'm combining an orange peel with the 3 maraschino cherries. I'd recommend scooping the cherries out first before picking them, but I was almost through this jar and didn't plan on keeping the mulch that remained. Would you look at that syrup glinting? Allow it to drip for a few seconds before completing your cocktail. Remove the extraneous materials and strain your cocktail into your ideally frosted coupe glass. Regardless of how you feel about vermouth, it's hard to deny the allure of the ruby red look it provides here. With about 3 ounces of spirits, and this being a 4.5 ounce glass, we likely included an ounce or so of dilution to make for a glass that's both spirit forward and easy drinking. The perfect cocktail going into fall. Crown your king with the garnish you work so hard on, or skip it entirely and enjoy. When I first tried a Manhattan, admittedly I wasn't a big fan. The Martini and Rossi vermouth detract from the experience, but the Kochi sweet vermouth makes all the difference. Subscribe if you haven't, and if you'd like to make a cocktail request, feel free to leave a comment down below. Cheers.